This section starts with a couple of cartoons. I'm not going to read them to you, but I encourage you to look at them. They present some humorous and perhaps alternative views on what makes good strategy. This lesson explores how to develop strategy using the resource view. The resource view examines what a firm can do to establish, extend, and maintain a competitive advantage. The ability to formulate a good strategy is crucial to entrepreneurial success and lays the foundation for an upward career trajectory. We have 7 main points or key points. First, the resource-based view of strategy is that the firm can create a competitive advantage within an industry, either by using different resources than its competitors or by using its resources differently than its competitors. A competitive advantage is important because it enables a firm to create more wealth in its target market than its competitors. Extending a competitive advantage is important because a firm is able to increase its profits by extending the advantage. Maintaining the competitive advantage is important because the key to earning economic profits over the long run is having a sustained competitive advantage. How can a firm erect a barrier to entry and build a moat around its competitive advantage? The book mentions 5 possible paths: a unique history, an ambiguous link between resources and the competitive advantage, social complexity and network effects, intangible assets, and high switching cost. The book discusses 3 common approaches to establish a competitive advantage. They are: create or attain low cost. Second is product differentiation. And the third approach is to reduce competitive intensity. I have you read an article by Porter. In that article, Porter defines strategy as creating a fit among a competitive, in that article, Porter defines strategy as creating fit among a company's activities. At the end of the lesson, a competitive student should be able to do 2 things: state Porter's definition of strategy and why strategic position requires trade-offs. Describe why fit drives both competitive advantage and sustainability. The takeaways are 5. When developing a strategy, focus on creating, extending, and sustaining a competitive advantage. Strategy involves making choices about where to focus attention and resources. Good choices mold the firm and enable it to serve its target customers better than its rivals. Good choices focus attention and resources on activities that reinforce and optimize each other. And finally, the more resources the firm has that reinforce and optimize each other, the more difficulties rivals have to imitate the firm.